Dishwashing versus hand washing, which is better? Do you also have a pile of dirty dishes lined up as you're watching this video? Are you also a procrastinator when it comes to washing dishes? You also wish to have a dishwasher but are afraid of its environmental implications. So you are on the right place. You will get the whole gist. What is better, dishwashing or hand washing? Which is more time consuming? Everyone will agree that washing the dishes is a job that doesn't end. The whole process of washing, cleaning, drying takes so much time that one always procrastinate until there is no dish left. Dishwashers takes the point at this time. So the newer technology dishwashers on an average takes the whole 15 minutes for the whole process, which includes like your loading, cleaning and unloading them. Dishwashing can take up to 30 minutes depending on your load. Post washing them also takes them an additional 30 minutes to completely dry and be ready for unloading. So if you are a person that has a lot of deadlines and no time to complete your chores, a dishwasher might be the way to go. Impact on the environment. When we talk about dishes and their impacts on the environment, water conservation is an important part to cover. Overconsumption of water is bad, extremely bad for the climate. So if you are a mindful individual like me, a thought might have occurred in your mind regarding the implications of dishwashing. It is a common belief that dishwashers consume a lot of water while washing your dishes, and often a lot of it is wasted straight into the dumps. Contrary to what you might have been thinking, this is not the case. Dishwashers on average consume 7 liters of water per load. While that also seems like a huge number, hand washing dishes might use up to 40 liters of water per load. Half of it gets wasted as the tap is on the entire time while you are cleaning the dirty stains of your load. With the competitive market thriving, new models of dishwashers are now putting an eco-friendly option which saves up to 50%. However, dishwashers have a disadvantage as they consume a lot of energy, whereas hand washing does not use any energy at all, which is more cost effective. Hand washing requires just a good dishwashing liquid and your hand, while dishwashers requires half your kitchen space. So in short, hand washing is more cost effective. Dishwashers are expensive as well and are often an investment. They perhaps in the long run might save you some money, but the eventual repairs and servicing can burn a hole in your pocket. Which is safer for your skin? Since you are not in contact with any surfactants or chemicals during dishwashing, it can be said that dishwashing is better for your skin. However, if you use a chemical-free and all-natural product like Coparo's dishwashing liquid, your skin is safer, as some people have observed soap over lining after taking their load off from the dishwasher, which might be dangerous to consume or get in contact with if you have sensitive hands. Finally, which one cleans better? It depends. Some premium quality hand washers cleans like a glass, while some can leave some spots here and there. Same happens with hand washing also. You can leave some spots, some soaps, and you can also miss the corner. So in comparison, obviously dishwashing wins because it has a built-in mechanism to clean each and every ground, and it cleans pretty much better and like covers each and every surface of the dishes. In conclusion, it can be assumed that dishwashers are more better. But is it? You have to consider a few points. Dishwashers cannot be used until they are full load. So if you're living alone or you just have a one partner, then you might wait for a whole day to get your dishes clean out of a dishwasher. Second, some utensils are not dishwashers friendly. You have to do it by your hand, like certain non-stick pans and wooden boards and like chef knives, your sterling silver flatwares, they are not dishwasher friendly. You have to do it by your hand. Third, if you do like if your household is not that big and you are does not produce that much dishes and you are cleaning it like using the dishwasher in 2 to 3 days, then it is better you stick to hand washing, because then the food just stuck on the utensils, and dishwashers might not clean that stuck on grimes. Hand washing dishes might be a tedious job, but a good dishwashing liquid might make it easier if you are on the lookout for such a product. Don't hesitate to check out the Coparo's bestseller Lime and Basil dishwashing liquid. So guys, now let's talk about the most exciting part of this video, that is giveaway. In this giveaway, you just have to follow 4 simple rules and you will get a hamper from Koparo which will contain 4 products from Koparo. One is this dishwash, which is their best seller. Second, you will get their baby laundry detergent, which is a super product. I have tried that and I just loved it. Third is you will get their laundry detergent, which is also very good. Fourth product you will get is their microfiber cloth, which is of very top notch quality. And all the rules are very simple. First rule is you have to like, share, and subscribe Koparo Clean channel. I'll provide the link in the description box. Second, you have to comment on their latest video, and you also have to like that video. Third, you have to like, share, and subscribe my channel, that is the Shubhi Tips. Fourth, you have to comment on this video and just let me know which is your favorite Koparo Clean product. So these are the four simple rules. Date of the live this giveaway will reflect on your screen. So a giveaway will last for like 5 to 6 days. I will reflect the dates here. And guys, these rules are very simple. Participate and win this exciting hamper. Also, if you have any query regarding anything regarding any Koparo clean product, you can comment on the video and I'll happy to help you. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.